In a world where success is almost always measured by what you can buy, people who deliberately spend very little money seem strange to most of us. We quickly label them as cheap, boring, or overly frugal. But if you look closer, they often have something many of us are missing: a deep, quiet sense of calm. It's not because they don't have money. It's because they calculate the price of things differently. If you earn $25 an hour, that new phone for $1,000 doesn't cost $1,000. It costs 40 hours of your life. Every time they choose not to buy something, they're not just saving money. They're buying back their time that no one can ever take away. Most of our purchases aren't really for our needs. We buy status. We buy belonging. We buy the feeling of keeping up. But the people who spend very little have quietly stepped out of that game. They've learned to separate real needs from the desire to look a certain way. And here's what's interesting: the less they try to impress others, the more peaceful and authentic they appear. Because real freedom doesn't begin when you have a lot of money. It begins when you need very little. True wealth might not be having everything you want, but needing almost nothing at all.